Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy TwincityFpv. Got a quick video for you guys. I know y'all sitting at the house being bored as fuck, but I'm not. I'm sitting outside with these guys in their little area doing the fucking with their shit. So I'm just gonna do it. I don't care. Yeah, they sitting there. They're just gonna make it. They're gonna make this hard for me, and I'm already nervous. So. Oh my goodness. But I brought this out here for you guys to see. I know you guys seen pictures of the Mojave and Arrma where I have on videos and whatnot. But I know you've seen it in how I put it together, but it's changed a lot. You know, we've been beating the fuck out of it lately. And this is its current state right now. But hold on, before you see its current state, see what it looks like usually on the shelf. I'm kind of ashamed to show it, but we beating the fuck out of it. Trucks ain't meant to stay nice. All right, to start off, front end's pretty much fucked. The body's pretty much trashed, but we got a new one. As you can see, there's a new one. We took the inner people out, and we replaced it with plastic windows. We got zip ties here. Hold on, let's see if I can take it off. This body's a little trashed, as you can see, but trying to do the best we can by keeping it together with some rubber sealant, rubber spray sealant or whatever that is. Sprayable rubber.
What? What the fuck?
We got metal in here holding the top and sides in place as it comes down. We tried to put some metal strips in the front body clip that holds it on, and well, those nipples are gone now. Those nipples aren't strong at all. Remember that, you gotta have tough nipples. I'm just letting you know. You gotta have tough nipples on your Arrma.
Stop it. Get some help.
These nipples stayed, but those ones went bye-bye. So, just holding on with this Velcro strap right now, because I really don't give a shit. We got a bunch of changes going on here. Got some hot racing parts. We got a hot racing upper control arm. Hot racing center brace. Another hot racing center brace. Got a hot racing center diff carrier. You got the cat pack as usual. You guys know that from the last video. The 4 cat pack double fans, run off his own separate battery. And we have 8S Creighton pinion gears in there. Also again with the 23 tooth pinion. We also have the hot racing servo arm. Got a few more hot racing parts coming in. They just didn't make it here yet due to mail being stupid. We got hub extenders there. You probably saw that from the last video. And done a little mods on the back bumper too because it broke, so we're just gonna give these a try too to see if it works. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, I'll fucking fend it. Get this turned on. This is my first time recording with this phone on the little controller thing, so if I get it out of sight, my bad. Oh, I forgot to put those body clips back on there. Hold on. Alright, we're back. Body clip phone. I kind of hate that the truck has to look like this. I kind of like it when it's at home. It looks a lot better. A whole lot better. These are the jumps, as y'all can see. We're going to give these jumps a try. Then once too, I wish my buddy was here, but he's out doing his business. But he gonna be here soon. We're gonna get him out here on this video soon. You're gonna see his Creighton and all his trucks, and we're gonna get all the trucks out here. But let's get his Mojave a rip. Alright, it is only on 4S right now, so let's see what it do. tumble. Not trying to lose those fucking camera mounts already. That was a good one. One more lap around this motherfucker. Almost ran that one. I'm not even recording. I'm just letting my phone sit down. Like, I suck at recording, bro. I'm like missing all the shots. This is the surprise I got for you guys. I just bought it the other day. So, Grant 4x4 3S BLX. Got to show you guys what this little thing can do. And stuff. Oh, what's up with the bounty? Got a little pull off from it. Man, this thing is crazy, bro. It does not want to stay on its tires. It does not want to. It's just like my top is good. Damn. Trying to take the truck away.